Dropbox facilitates that platform. This is over advertisement for Dropbox, but so yeah, that's why I find this to be a remarkable platform. I look forward to coming in, not just your show, just to be part of. Dropbox is this. It's an ambiguous place. It's unpredictable. You can't really predict what you're going to see next. You may see some deep-seated lecture on quantum electrodynamics. Next day, it's some guy, some surrealistic painting, or a guy with a unicorn hat with some music video. So it's a sort of paradigm shift in visual entertainment.
We need that.
Yeah, it could go in any direction. That's why you could walk into Dropbox and watch your ideas germinate to fruition. Just watch it materialize. I think the co-founders does a great job by kind of synergizing